My video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker that is called NotHab. It is also known under the name of the website nothab.com. The developers of this browser extension called NotHab promise that by installing the extension you'll be able to raise your productivity to the next level. The point is that there is nothing wrong with installing this extension if that is your personal decision, but on the other hand, it is quite unlikely that you'll make up your own mind to go to the page nothab.com and install this extension. Instead, NotHab is often integrated with some free applications. So people tend to download and install it pretty unintentionally, and that's not their choice to install it. This is why NotHab is considered as a potentially unwanted program or application. NotHab is actually a new tab replacer, so whenever the extension is installed and you open the new tab, you see this NotHab opening its own new tab instead of the blank tab. Furthermore, when you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are provided by Yahoo Search, sometimes by Bing Search, or by other unfamiliar search engine. The method to remove NotHab from your browser is pretty simple. You simply need to find the associated browser extensions and delete them. So go to the menu of your troubled browser, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Now you'll find this NotHab extension. You may deactivate it like this and remove the extension completely. So after these simple manipulations, the problem seems to be fixed. I also recommend you to double check the safety of your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get its fresh version is on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and installed, start the application and begin scanning your system with its help. So after the antivirus database is updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your system. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20, but definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.